the previous tutorial, we have already seen what is data model and with this example, and we require a common column among the tables to get them related with each other. To know more about it in detail, just go back to the previous tutorial and get that learned. Now, here we will be seeing what is dimension table and the fact tables. To create a data model, we require two kinds of tables. One is dimension table and the other one is fact table. So, we have dimension table as the unique that contains unique information. Due to this unique information, it will be having lesser records with the attributes, correct? And the chance of data change is very less. In fact table, there will be a lot of chances of data changing, right? Because of that, there will be more number of records and it will be having many values, and it can contain duplicates as well. Right, now see how we will identify dimension table and a fact table. Correct. Let us see first how to identify the dimension table. Let's say I have two tables, customer table and the product table. For example, I have signed up on Amazon to order something. Correct. So it will ask me my name, it will ask me my email address and password and few more details. Correct. On the basis of that, it in its internal system, it will assign me a customer ID. Correct. Also, whatever the after signing up, it will display me some kind of products, right? So on the display, whatever the products it is displaying, the Amazon website on the front end is fetching those details from a backend table that contains product ID, product name, price, product description, and many other details. Correct. So this product table and the customer table contains only one record for one product. Correct. So, for example, the email ID and the phone number I have used in my while my signing up, I cannot create second account for that, right? With that email ID or phone number. So my this customer ID, right, that will always be unique. Correct. Same way, let's say I have the mother dairy milk or the Amul milk. So I cannot add the same product, mother dairy or the Amul milk, a second time. Correct. So it will assign a unique product ID for that particular product. So that way, it contains the list of customers in the customer table, whoever so signed up on Amazon, and it enters the product details into a one table, that is the product table. So there, the product ID and the customer ID in product table and the customer table will always be unique. So this is how we identify dimensions table. Correct. So this is the identification of dimension table, that it will contain the master data. Master data means the data that will not frequently changed. Correct. So it will contain the information about your product, about your customer or your distributor. Correct. That data that contains unique information and very less changes into these uh, data. Now, let's see how do we identify the facts table. So let's say we have the same customer table or the sales table. Here we will see which customer ID has purchased what product ID, and what's the price of that one product and how many quantities I have purchased. So let us take the same example of Amazon. Let's say I have ordered one product, right? Then I will order some another product. Correct. It will, both the products will get delivered to my address. Same time, some another customer will purchase some more products, either the same products or the different products. Correct. So in this common table, whoever the customer purchases what product, it will contain the list of all those things into this table. So this way we identify our fact tables.